Oi, 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 it's Lads Product Reviews.
You know the lads, the ones out there making their own ham.
No, lads, she knows about the ham again. It's really important, we gotta hide it. Because once this ham gets out in the public, it's gonna blow up. Like, we won't be having to do the product reviews on YouTube anymore. We can go down to Bali and we can do yacht reviews. We won't have to wear pants anymore. We can wear shorts. And we won't have to wear shoes. We can wear the flip-flops. Alright. trying some different things with intros. Thought it'd be entertaining. We're gonna get right into another unboxing. It's been another long day. Just personal stuff going on. I'm not gonna get into it right now. Just know, it's been a long day. We're gonna unbox this open, and I'm gonna start talking about it after I get it open. Video might not be for everyone or whatever. It's kind of it's a little bit of a personal thing for me, but I feel like other people might be able to relate once I explain what this is. Once I get it open, of course. The packaging is something else, isn't it? Okay. What we have here are two anti-snore mouthpieces. So, probably last year or so, my snoring has gotten off and on really, really bad. And sometimes I also apparently have breathing issues while I sleep. And so keeping my wife up with my snoring, and then she'll hear me stop breathing sometimes, and it freaks her out because I stopped breathing. Last couple of weeks or month or so, it's not been as bad as it was. But she, not too long ago, had said something while we were having a conversation with my mom, and I remembered that I had seen these before and kind of had watched a couple of videos about them, and I liked the idea of them. And so if you haven't seen the videos for these before, they kind of explain in the videos that what happens that causes the snoring is the lower jaw starts to kind of fall back and get like in this, it's like a relaxed, comfortable position, sort of, except it starts to block off the lower airways, and that can cause breathing problems and the snoring to happen. The breathing problems are a form of sleep apnea, and if you kind of go and do some research on what sleep apnea is, and the fact that you basically stop breathing in your sleep sometimes, it's not good for your sleep, it's not good for your brain, it's not good for your heart and your organs and stuff. It's medically bad for you. But these are designed to keep you from snoring and keep your airways open. If you've looked at some of the other ways that they suggest for sleep apnea, there's the CPAP machine, which is basically an oxygen machine that you wear at night, but it's a loud oxygen machine. They're also expensive, so, and they take up a lot of room. So that would possibly be louder than my snoring for my wife and would be keeping her up. There's something similar to these mouthpieces, but they're not like, They're called MADs, and they're not adjustable. You have to go to, I think, an orthodontist, and a lot of insurance policies won't cover it. And you have to wait a long time for an orthodontist to open up and get you in. And then you have to go and have the molds and stuff made of your mouth, and it takes a while to get them back. These are supposed to be fully adjustable and stuff and will form to your mouth. I did kind of look at different versions of these and tried to find one that was more heavily rated than the other ones. And these were like the top rated one on the reviews that I had found. But they had a deal at the time where if I bought 2 of them, I would get them for cheaper than normal. And I thought it would be a good idea to get 2 at once because I'd be able to like clean one of them at one point and have like a backup, or if something happened, I had a spare. Either way, I just kind of felt like it was a good idea to have 2. See here what it says on the back. Focus. Okay, it's not really focusing really well, but I'll go ahead and read it for you anyways. Adjustable, ergonomic design. Pit the product in hot water before use to soak the product. Then adjust the scale and adjust the product to a size that suits you. Heal your snoring while preventing your teeth from grinding. That's another bonus of having the mouthpiece over the CPAP machine. This anti-snoring mouthpiece is a kind of mandibular advancement device. Mandibular advancement devices, MADs, which was what I was talking about hold the lower jaw and tongue forward, making more space to breathe and prevent snoring. If you are a tongue-based snorer, a MAD will be effective for you to stop snoring when you are asleep. This mouthpiece is the simplest and most effective solution for bruxism. It can also protect your teeth from grinding and clenching. It comes with a portable storage case. It is easy to carry anywhere and everywhere. Box content, sealed mouthpiece storage container. So, anti-snoring mouthpiece. No pain on teeth, reliable and safe to use, a simple mouthpiece, custom shaped to your teeth. Preparation. You can use either a kettle or a pot to boil water. Yeah, I guess so. If you opt to use a kettle, you will need a container such as a mug deep enough to submerge the mouthpiece. You will need a timing device, a smartphone, or a clock that can measure in seconds. Take the contents out of the box, place the mouthpiece in the upright position with the large V shape upside. I'll open them in a second. Practice moving your lower jaw forward and find a comfortable forward position. Boil water in a kettle or pot or microwave, then pouring water into a heat-safe bowl. Using your utensils or tongs, fully submerge device into a bowl of hot water. Carefully remove your device from the bowl or hot water using your utensils or tongs and place in the bowl of cold water for 3 seconds. Place the device in your mouth with the upper portion of the device on your upper teeth. Firmly bite down on the device for at least 20 seconds, pressing your fingers around your mouth area and sucking the air out with your tongue on the roof of your mouth, creating a vacuum in your mouth. This will secure a tight mold to your teeth. After 20 seconds, remove the device from your mouth and inspect for a proper mold. If the mold does not look tight enough with visible teeth marks, you can repeat steps 2 through 5. If you are happy with your custom mold, fully submerge your device in a bowl of cold water for 15 seconds to allow for your custom mold mouthpiece to set correctly. important. Your mouthpiece can be reset 3 times before the soft moldable plastic starts to lose its shaping properties. Cleaning and storage. Clean your mouthpiece using a toothbrush and toothpaste, mouthwash. An ultrasonic cleaner, if you have it, is the best. Never use harsh chemicals or household cleaners such as bleach or ammonia. Rinse it, shake off excess water, and store in the clean, dry container supplied. For best hygiene and comfort, the Snore mouthpiece is recommended to be replaced every 2 to 3 months of use. Precautions. Recommended by dentists and doctors, the mouthpiece is designed for adults only. Not recommended for those who wear braces or dentures. Suitable for people with healthy gums and teeth. Side effects include minor jaw soreness, excessive saliva, dry mouth. They will fade away with time. Stop using if you experience severe jaw pain. For best results, proceed with a gradual and progressive forward movement of the lower jaw. Mold the first time with a little lower jaw forward, then gradually increase the forward placement of the lower jaw by a few millimeters when remolding the mouthpiece until a comfortable position that cease the snoring is achieved. There's some English there. Many people start molding with lower jaw forward 3 mm to 5 mm. If snoring continues, remolding with lower jaw forward 6 mm to 10 mm. No pain on teeth, reliable and safe to use, a simple mouthpiece, custom shaped to your teeth. So, I guess my biggest thing is going to be if this is going to be comfortable or not while sleeping. It's late right now. We've had a really long day, so I'm not going to try to mold it to my teeth tonight. Maybe tomorrow. How does it come apart though? Does this push up? Oh wait, maybe it says push down. No, it says push up. Oh, I see. This. They don't separate. What it does is the lower piece moves forward and back. Oh, it does separate. Okay, maybe I can. So it has little notches so that you can move the lower piece forward a little bit. And that's why it was saying the lower is supposed to be forward just a bit. So I think probably right there to start. I'm gonna leave the other one in protective plastic wrapping, and I'll probably just do the mold form on one of them when I go to use them, and then just kind of put that away somewhere in storage. And at some point, probably come back with a secondary video describing my experience and whether or not this actually worked. Until then, I guess I'll leave you guys hanging, and eventually form this to my mouth and try it out. But until then, I'll just have to see if this works out for me or not. But if you like this content and want to help support the channel, you can of course go and like and subscribe. You can also go down below and find in the description for this video our Instagram links, our links to the Patreon account, and then our affiliate links, which I am going to list out real quick. If you buy anything from the affiliate links, it helps out the channel. We've got King's Camo Outdoor Gear, Priority Tires, Crossman Air Rifles, Raven Crossbows, Try the World International Food Box, Dubby Energy Drink. The link for Dubby should automatically fill in on checkout the discount code lads_fuel 2025. That'll give you a 10% discount. If for some reason that discount isn't there on checkout, just go ahead and drop it in. That's lads_fuel 2025. You've got Traverson Outdoor Supplies, Pixafun Fishing Supplies, and Zeal Pet Food. They do like natural pet foods for cats and dogs, that are really big about knowing where the meat comes from and stuff, and the cat and dog food. I was going to say something else, and I can't remember what it was now because I've had such a long day and it's been stressful. But if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. There'll be more coming at some point, and hopefully I can get back to you and let you know if this worked the way it was intended to. All right, thanks. Bye.